Subscribe to Software Testing Mentor channel, learn latest technologies in software testing, test automation, testing tools, and much more. Hello friends, welcome to another Cucumber BDD tutorial from rcvacademy.com. This is Manish, and in this tutorial we will learn how to set up Cucumber JVM environment or Cucumber development environment in Eclipse IDE. So to get started, you just need to open Eclipse. So go to the location where you have installed Eclipse and open Eclipse. It will ask for the workspace. So there is a default workspace that it selects. If you want to change the workspace where you want to save the projects and etc., you can change the location of that folder as well. So I'll keep it as default and click on launch. So once Eclipse has launched successfully, then you can start creating the project and setting up the project for Cucumber BDD. So till now we have seen that there are multiple steps before you reach to this point to set up your first Cucumber JVM project. Now the first step was to install Java, the second step was to install Eclipse IDE, third step was around installing Cucumber Eclipse plugin, which was optional, but it is highly recommended that you have it or you install it, because it will highlight the Gherkin syntax or the feature files that you'll write, and it will be very helpful to debug or debug the errors in the feature file in future. It's not mandatory, but it is highly recommended plugin. The fourth step was to download the dependencies for Cucumber BDD for Java. So I have already downloaded, or there are 9 different jar files that you can download from the Maven repository. So all these things have been covered in the prior tutorials. So in this tutorial, you need to set up all that. You need to create a new project and import all those jar files to set up your Cucumber development environment. So I have opened Eclipse already. I'll close the window. So the first step is to I'll close all these old projects first. So let me delete these projects. So once all these projects are deleted, it will be a clean workspace. All right, okay, so to get started, just click on File, click on New, and click on Java Project. So provide any project name. I'll say Cucumber Demo and click on Finish. So if you open this project, you will see that JRE system library, it has taken the Java that I have installed on my machine, which has all the relevant jars, and then it has a source folder. Right now, to set up Cucumber, you basically need to select the project, right click and click on or go to build path and click on configure build path. Right now, in configure build path, you need to click on add external jars. Once you click on add external jars, it will ask you the location. So I have already downloaded the jar file. So you see Cucumber jars. These are the jars that you need to add to this project. So just select all the jars and click on open. Now all the jars are there in the build path. Just click on apply and close. Right, so now you will see the referenced libraries folder is also there, and in the reference libraries all the Cucumber dependencies are there. So these are the required jars before you actually go ahead and start creating your feature files in your development environment. So this is pretty much all about setting up your Cucumber BDD development environment before actually you can start writing your feature file and then writing the code and JUnit hooks and all. So that's pretty much all about setting up Eclipse IDE with Cucumber dependencies. In next tutorial, we will start writing some of the feature file. Thank you.